Hello, everyone. Welcome back from UMass spring break. I am slowly getting through your study designs, and because it's taking a little bit longer than I had predicted, all your stuff is looking really great. It's just, it's a lot and it's exciting, and I'm trying to figure out exactly how to shape the rest of the semester based on, what all of your plans are for study designs. And so by the end of the week, I will have all of those completed, but since it's taking me a little longer than I expected, I've moved your midpoint presentation to be due on the 30th, and it was due on the 25th before. I've also switched up your last three assignments. Before I had a rough draft process and outcome evaluation and then a final draft one. Based on all of your performance this semester, I don't think we really need a rough draft because everybody's really communicating with me and with each other so well before passing anything in that I'm getting a good look at what everybody's doing beforehand. So you can just notice that the dates have been switched up a little bit on those. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I am writing a lot of feedback, both good, excellent feedback, and then suggestions for improvement on your study design. So just keep an eye out for those in the next few days. Some of them I've already handed back, and some of them I am going to be working on throughout the next few days. So I hope everybody has a fantastic week, and I really look forward to seeing all of your midpoint presentations when you're ready to post them. And the date again has been extended to the 30th. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.